more women than men are affected by Alzheimer. When we measure risk, is a higher lifetime risk. And the reasons for that are for sure multiple, and I don't think we have a definitive answer. When I first asked this question, the answer was that women live longer, and so that's why they get more dementia. So let's clear that out of the way, because yes, indeed, it's true that women live a little bit longer, but that cannot explain the higher incidence and especially prevalence. So there must be something else. There are a number of directions that research has taken that maybe I can highlight. For sure, we know now, thanks to the research in the past 10 years, that menopause is a window of vulnerability for women to develop, especially Alzheimer's type of dementia. So biologically, we are starting to understand that not in all women, but in some women, in many of them, when our hormonal levels are starting to fluctuate and change, this opens a vulnerability to the deposition of tau, especially. So one of these toxic proteins that accumulates in Alzheimer. And this makes these brains then more vulnerable also to amyloid pathology and then cognitive decline. So there is definitely something that happens biologically that is linked to our hormones. Unfortunately, it's not an easy correlation because it's not just the drop of estrogen. We have tested this hypothesis. It doesn't exactly work like that. So we are just starting to understand what is happening precisely at the molecular level.
Welcome to XXplored, Women's Brain Health, a dementia researcher podcast exploring the many factors that shape women's brain health across the lifespan.